Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube Oti wa busy toona kuti aiwokandira mafireworks pamusoro mashoko akataura chiti vada kukwenzira civil servants salary pamusoro pekudeclare kwakaita the new currency zig. Vanhu vaona kuti compensation yakangopa cover the loss yangaita in value the zig. Sana pina mashoko amuda nyogwa pana vanobva subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina last week vanotanga vanyora mashoko ekuti Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube says public sector workers will get a pay increase in the wake of 42% zig devaluation. Tichinopinda muzora nhasi munhu utoona kuti mubuda munhu Muchinzi padesona event yakaitika munhu Muchinzi speaking outside parliament after President Edi Mnangagwa gave his an inspiring state of the nation address sona. Mthuli Ncube told reporters that they were moving to increase civil servant salaries, but the Amalgamated Rural Teachers Union of Zimbabwe RTUZ has castigated Mthuli Ncube, saying the so-called increment will be quickly eroded by inflation. Sadly, the government of Zimbabwe is not ashamed to play dangerous games with people's livelihoods. Civil servants are locked in debt because of these games. They will pretend to adjust salaries, but making sure that the value is eroded before effecting the adjustment. We demand 100% USD. Government as service provider doesn't accept ZIG. For passports, we also provide a service and we no longer accept ZIG. Teachers are sitting in at work. There is no teaching taking place outside paid extra lessons. Minimum salary for teacher should be 1.260 USD, said RTUZ. Domashwa tukona kuti vakomana RTUZ vachikoplena vachiti aiwa the move yavakaita vachiita compensation hapana zvavakaita, voda kungoti the situation irongoramba yangoisa civil servants in debt vachiti aiwa we demand our full salary in 100% USD in foreign currency. Tudze mafunguro aimoti kudipa pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section yedu. So subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.